Okay, look at these words right now. So, you have told your child before that letter A sounds ah. So then, but here letter A sounds A, just like pronouncing letter A. But there is something missing that you have to tell your child to avoid confusion. Tell your child that the magic E at the end is telling the vowel in the middle to say its name. And the vowel in the middle here is A. And the name of the vowel in the middle is A. So here it will sound its name instead of the usual A. So here use this one to show example. This is ache. If you put letter C, it becomes cake. B, bake. M, make. Fake, lake, wake. And here, this is eight. If you put it becomes mate. Put kate, fate, gate, late. I hope this helps. Bye.